I'm Kathryn Hutchins Duda. I'm a computer engineering major, class of 2018. I just finished my freshman year, and I work here in the VCU UAV lab as part of the ECE department. Our research here divides into two main portions: flight controllers and payload items. And when we say payload, we mean all the software that doesn't directly go to fly the plane, but helps the plane perform other tasks. Right here on our UAV, we have 3 microcontrollers loaded here, and each of them performs functions like operating our camera inside here, working on the wireless connection that will enable us to connect to a wireless network on the field and upload images and data. And then we have another microcontroller back here that deals with the flight. So most of what we do as undergraduates centers around the payload non-flight items and how much can we get the plane to do while it's still in the air. Some of the things we work on here that have applications out in industry that you maybe wouldn't expect is a corporate partner contract with the Department of Agriculture, and this copter is sort of our model for their much larger payload copter. And what we're working on is adapting our flight controller from the airplane we have to a multi-rotor, because the physics are obviously very different. We don't get out and fly this, but a few times a month, because it's resource consuming to do this. So what we do is simulator testing in here. So we come in, we run it through the simulator, ask questions of the graduate advisors. So it's a lot of work at your own pace, work in your own time, but you're not working alone. When I got in my freshman year, I noticed that there weren't a lot of computer engineering majors, even fewer women in the field. So when I met people of my major, especially upperclassmen, I asked them a lot of questions. And when I was asking questions to one of the upperclassmen, he said to me, "Have you looked at the UAV lab with Dr. Klenke?" And I went to talk to Dr. Klenke, and he told me about the VIP, Vertically Integrated Projects program, that they were getting started, and how they were looking for underclassmen especially to come and join so that we can get working on this earlier in our college careers and stick with it. I took a robotics class when I was in the 4th grade, and I fell in love with programming, and I ended up at VCU. And the thing that really attracted me here was their openness to undergraduate research and the wealth of resources they are willing to put into their undergrads who have an interest in something or are passionate about something. If there's something you're interested in, if you walk by a door and you see somebody working on something that you think looks cool, ask. Everybody you meet in this industry and in this school has something interesting and cool they're working on, and it might be something you want to be a part of. It might just be something you want to know more about, and you can't ask too many questions and you can't talk to too many people. It's really important to put yourself out there.